Now let me show you how to do the exact same thing now, this time using BizPortal. Remember, BizPortal is the newer version of the website for CIPC. So I hope what I just showed you was clear enough, helpful, and easy enough. All right, but let's look at BizPortal. So maybe you've registered an account with BizPortal and not CIPC, but it's exactly the same way. Okay, so I'm going to click on login here, and then I will have to put in my login details. Now remember, if you are not registered with BizPortal, then you'd quickly have to register. And how do you go about doing that? Well, you'll click on register over here, and then you'll have to put in your details. Just remember that if you've got a South African ID number, then you click on yes. If you don't have a South African ID number, then you click on no, so that it can take that into account, okay, when you are registering for an account with BizPortal. Otherwise, if you already have an account, then I'm going to put in my ID number. Remember, this time you're putting in your ID number, okay? You're not putting in the customer code. That's for the other side that I just showed you previously, the CIPC one. This is BizPortal. And then you put in your password, and then I'm going to click on login, and then it's going to log me in. And then the next thing I'm going to do, you can see it brings me to this page where it displays the details of the account holder. And then I'm going to click here on services. Okay, once I've clicked on services, then it's going to show me a few options in the menu here that I have to select. Okay, once I've clicked on services, you can see it brings me here where it gives me various options that I can select from. Okay, so what do I select here? Well, I will have to select on company registration. Remember, I select on company registration even if I want to retrieve the registration documents. Okay, but also if you want to register the company, by the way, you select that option. We will be doing a lesson on how to register a company as well. You will find the link in the description below once it's loaded. Okay, so then I scroll down over here, and you can see it gives me three options. New registration, that's if I want to register a new company. Registration certificates, that's the one I want to select because I want the registration certificates for a company I've already registered. So I'm going to click on that one, registration certificates, and then it's going to bring me to this page, and it shows me all the companies for which I'm a director. Again, exactly the same thing that showed me in the previous site. Okay, so you can see here it lists all the companies. And what do I now need to do? I need to select which company do I need the registration documents for. I'm going to select the one that I need the registration documents for. Remember, again, if you're a director for just one company, then it's only going to show that one company. But if you're a director for a couple of companies, it's going to show all of them. Okay, so I'm going to select the one that I need the registration documents for by clicking here. You can see it's written send, and if I click on this button here, it's going to send the registration documents to my email. So I'm just going to click on that one. And you can see here it says that certificate confirmation, the registration certificate you requested has been sent to your email address. So again, I need to check my email address, and I will have all the documents listed there. I hope this was helpful. I hope you've gained value from this lesson, and if you have, please consider subscribing to our channel and like this video. Till next time, cheers.